If you're trying to offer personalized support at scale, it may seem impossible at first, but with the right strategy, you can handle thousands of requests without losing the personal touch. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, and stick around till the end where I'll share a unique free trial to help you put everything into practice. The first thing you need to do is focus on automation. It might sound counterintuitive when we're talking about offering personalized support, but trust me, automation is the key. You can't manually respond to every single request, but with the right software, you can automate your processes while keeping the support personalized. This software allows you to set up automated responses that still feel like they're coming from a real person. This is how you can scale without sacrificing quality. Next up, make sure you're segmenting your audience. Instead of sending the same response to everyone, use data to customize your communication. You can segment by customer type, issue category, or even user behavior. For instance, if someone is experiencing an issue that's specific to a certain product or service, automate a response that addresses that need specifically. This level of segmentation allows you to keep the support relevant, even when you're handling tons of customers. Another critical element is leveraging pre-built templates for common queries. Instead of drafting a new message every time someone asks the same question, use customizable templates. But don't make them sound robotic. Ensure your templates sound personal and conversational. This will speed up your response time and make it feel like a personalized touch, even though it's based on automation. It's also important to use AI-powered tools for smarter recommendations. These tools analyze the context of the customer's issue and provide recommendations on the best possible solution. The best part? This can be done at scale without human intervention. The software we're using helps you achieve this seamlessly, allowing your team to focus on more complex tasks while automating the rest. But let's not forget about human oversight. Automation is great, but sometimes you need a real person involved, especially for complex issues. Make sure you have a process in place where more challenging cases are escalated to a live agent. This will ensure that your personalized support doesn't feel mechanical when it matters most. One last tip: integrate multiple communication channels, whether it's email, live chat, or social media. Use software that allows you to manage them all in one place. This way, no matter where your customers are reaching out from, you can provide seamless, consistent support. Now, before I wrap this up, I want to remind you to grab the exclusive free trial in the description below. You'll get full access to the software we've been talking about today, and it'll help you start offering personalized support at scale immediately. This is only available to viewers of my channel, so don't miss out. To recap, automate your processes without losing the personal touch. Segment your audience, use pre-built templates, and leverage AI-powered recommendations. Don't forget to have human oversight for complex issues and integrate all your communication channels into one platform. That's how you can offer personalized support at scale. Remember to take advantage of the free trial in the description below to see all of this in action. Thanks for watching.